My name is Abir Madbouli. I'm a principal bioinformatics scientist and NMDP Biotherapies lead. NMDP started over 35 years ago. And with all this expertise that we've accumulated, recruiting donors, facilitating transplants, accumulating data, building tools, it uniquely positions us to be the #1 experts in the field.
NMDP Biotherapies Bioinformatics Consultants are very unique in the field. Back in 1987, it was based on HLA. So looking at how can we find a donor for a little girl who has leukemia? 36 years later, we know so much more about HLA because this has been one of the foundations of how we want to find a donor for someone who needs a match.
There are so many services that we offer under Bioinformatics Consulting, starting from prepping HLA data, optimizing cell banks, designing utilization models, modeling for population coverage. We've been doing all of this work for NMDP for decades.
We offer services to figure out what types of donor potentially that the cell and gene therapy developer wants as part of their clinical trial. We also can do population-based bioinformatics. We can determine what is the percentage of times that you're going to be able to find that HLA molecule for what type of disease they want to treat.
We're always providing the client with weekly update. We create a SharePoint that they have complete access to, so the client is always up to par with what we're doing. If there is a need, we schedule an initial findings meeting. We show them, here's the progress, here's what we have so far, and then once the work is done, we send them the final report, and then a few weeks later, the client is sent a post-experience survey where they tell us how their experience was.
There's no other vendor in the industry that's been more involved in direct patient care than NMDP and NMDP Biotherapies. There's going to be a future where hundreds of thousands of more patients are going to be treated through this emerging modality called cell and gene therapy. NMDP Biotherapies is going to be a part of that future.